The number 2 AI tool you need in 2025: MidJourney and the power of visual wealth. If ChatGPT is the brain of AI, then the second most powerful tool in 2025 is the eyes. What if I told you a single AI image could make you thousands of dollars in 2025? I'm talking about MidJourney, an AI image generator that turns imagination into reality. And while most people play around with it just for fun, a small group of people are using MidJourney to design products, create content, and even build entire businesses. In this video, we'll break down why MidJourney is the number 2 AI tool you must master in 2025, how regular people are making real money with it, and why the Stoics would say it's not just about images, it's about clarity of vision. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll see how a single picture could literally change your future. Section 1: The Stoic View on Images. The Stoics believed in the power of imagination. Epictetus taught, "It's not what happens to you, but how you perceive it." In other words, your vision shapes your reality. MidJourney takes that ancient truth and turns it into technology. It allows you to create visuals of the life you want to build, and then use those visuals in real, practical ways. This isn't just about art. It's about direction, discipline, and design. Section 2: What MidJourney is. So, what exactly is MidJourney? It's an AI tool that generates images from text prompts. You type in a description, and it produces stunning visuals, anything from a realistic portrait to a futuristic cityscape. But here's the key: MidJourney isn't just a toy. It's a creative engine for entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and content creators. Think of it like Photoshop on steroids, but you don't need any design skills to use it. Section 3: Real-world examples. Let's look at how ordinary people in the US are already using MidJourney to earn income. Etsy sellers. Right finger. Jane, 29, in Oregon, was drowning in bills and felt stuck in a 9-to-5 she hated. Then she discovered MidJourney. She started creating simple wall art designs and uploading them to Etsy. At first, it was just a few sales, but soon, people from all over the country were buying her digital art for $10 to $20 each. Now she makes around $1.500 per month in passive income, while still keeping her full-time job. For Jane, it wasn't just about money. It was about finally feeling she had control over her future. T-shirt designers. Right finger. Tom, 41, in Texas, always wanted to create something unique but felt he didn't have the artistic skills. When he tried MidJourney, he realized he could finally bring his ideas to life. He began designing one-of-a-kind t-shirt graphics and selling them through print-on-demand sites like Redbubble and Teespring. What started as a hobby turned into a side hustle that pays his mortgage. Authors and YouTubers. Right finger. Lisa, 35, in California, had always dreamed of writing children's books, but she thought it was impossible without an illustrator. With ChatGPT and MidJourney, she wrote the stories and instantly generated beautiful illustrations. She self-published on Amazon and now earns royalties every single month. And for her, it wasn't just about income, it was about finally seeing her lifelong dream become real. These are real examples of people turning creativity into cash, with zero background in art. Section 4: Why most people miss it. Here's the problem. Most people open MidJourney, type in a random prompt, laugh at the picture, and move on. That's like buying a piano, playing a few random notes, and giving up. The Stoics would call that wasting potential. The difference between someone who makes thousands of dollars and someone who just plays is simple: discipline. Discipline to refine prompts. Discipline to study what sells. Discipline to treat MidJourney not as a toy, but as a tool. Right finger, take David. For example, when he first discovered MidJourney, he was excited. He typed in a few random prompts, laughed at the funny results, and then he closed it. Just like most people. But a few weeks later, he came back, this time with a different mindset. Instead of treating it like a toy, he started experimenting with real discipline, refining his prompts, studying what people were actually buying online, and practicing every day. At first, his results were messy. Some designs looked terrible. He even thought about giving up. But then he remembered a lesson from the Stoics. No man is free who is not master of himself. So he kept going. Within 3 months, David had his first real win. One of his MidJourney posters sold repeatedly on Etsy. That single sale changed everything, because it proved to him that vision plus discipline equals results. His story is proof. If you apply Stoic discipline to MidJourney, what looks like a toy can become a tool for freedom. Section 5: How to use MidJourney like a pro. Right finger, now. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing. But I'm not an artist. I don't have a business. I don't even have followers. Here's the good news. You don't need any of that. You can start today, even if you have 0 design skills, 0 business experience, and 0 online presence. All you need is curiosity and the discipline to practice. And that's exactly what separates those who just play with MidJourney from those who profit from it. Here are 3 strategies to maximize MidJourney in 2025. Niche down. Don't just make random art. Focus on a niche: fitness t-shirts, motivational posters, fantasy book covers. The more specific your niche, the more valuable your images become. Combine with other tools. Use ChatGPT to generate creative prompts. Use Canva or Photoshop to polish the final designs. The combo creates professional products fast. Monetize smartly. Sell digital products, Etsy, Gumroad. Use designs for print-on-demand stores. Offer image creation as a freelance service. When used this way, MidJourney isn't just generating art. It's generating opportunity. Section 6: The Stoic Edge. So why would the Stoics love MidJourney? Because it's not just about making pretty pictures. It's about sharpening your vision. Seneca once said, "If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." MidJourney helps you visualize the port. Whether it's the business you want to build, the product you want to sell, or the story you want to tell, this tool lets you see it clearly before it exists. And once you can see it, you can start building it. CONCLUSION. So there you have it. The number 2 AI tool you must master in 2025 is MidJourney. Not because it's trendy, not because it's fun, but because it gives you the ability to turn vision into reality, and vision into income. While others waste time scrolling through AI-generated memes, you can build products, create businesses, and design the future. The Stoics remind us, clarity of vision leads to clarity of action. And MidJourney gives you that clarity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe to Ancient Stoic Secrets. In the next video, we'll explore another AI tool that could completely change how you work and live. Remember, AI is the tool. Discipline is the key. And when you combine vision with discipline, you become unstoppable. See you in the next video.